Action. What's up, guys? Welcome to King Forex TV. Today I have a very special guest. It's my daughter. Her name is Mireya. Yeah. So today we're gonna go ahead and review these entries right here. I know a lot of you guys ask yourself, how is it that I get these sharp entries, these sniper entries? And it's not just because I'm guessing because, oh, it's the bottom or it's the top. You know, there's actually a plan behind every execution that I go ahead and do regarding trading. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you exactly what it is. Yeah, do you have any words that you had to say? Well, what is it?
Subscribe and turn on the notifications and give this video a big thumbs up.
That's right. So this is pretty much done on February 28th. This was the plan. I gave 1, 2, 3, 4 possible scenarios, sell and 3 buy scenarios. Now, yeah, do you want to read the comments? So go ahead and read this one.
Good out, look out. Thanks. Of course, broski. You were absolutely spot on.
That's right. We were absolutely spot on. So let's jump into this.
You have to have more comments than that.
That's right. So make sure you leave your comment below.
Down below.
That's right. So we're gonna go ahead. Like I said, this was posted on February 28th. This was the plan. 3 possible buy scenarios, 1 possible sell scenario. So we're gonna go ahead and hit play. So we were spot on. How is it that we're so accurate? So let's go ahead and see. So for this portion right here, we almost got to our point of interest. It didn't quite hit it, but we did get a reaction towards the downside. Then it hit our possible buy scenario. Boom. We were in this trade. Eventually we got +1. Candles just broke, respected the zones, and then it got to our highest POI, which is possible buy. Now we did get into this trade, and I'm gonna show you how is it that we got into this trade. But this trade is currently up like 116 16 pips, which is massive. I mean, I'm gonna tell you this right now, guys. I'm in Pipsology FX. I know for the guys that are already in the group and they're watching this, you guys know the value that Gustavo and Jonathan post out every single day. There's daily voice memos. We get updates every pretty much the midweek updates and at the end of week recap. But every day Gustavo and Jonathan post out their ideas. It's pretty much their journal. We're watching them. How is it that they trade? What is it that they're looking at the charts that help us go ahead and execute the trades? What's up, baby? You got something to say? What do you got to say?
Be respectful to your parents, even if you're small and watching this, and then you'll get something.
Oh, you're so cute. Bye. I love this little rascal right here. She likes to be in all of this YouTube thing and do different activities with me. She's my sidekick. That's right.
I'm the only child.
She's the only child. All right. So let's go ahead and jump on the charts. I'm gonna show you the entries. Okay, so I'm gonna show you so this is the thing, and I'm gonna tell you this is how I go ahead and execute my entries. So I start up with the daily, with the 4 hour, with the 1 hour, right? And what happens is once price gets into, let's say, this zone right here, I have alerts set up, right? Usually I have it a couple pips above, so once it hits, I know that price is reaching that price. So what I do is I already have my plan marked up, right? I just need the price to come to me in order for me to go ahead and execute the transaction. So what I do is I usually jump into the 5 minute, 3 minute. I'll be going even down to the 1 minute. But what is it that I exactly look for? So I'm gonna show you right now. So what I look for is pretty much break of structure, because we're already in the zone. So let's say, for example, right here, this is the higher high, higher lower high, higher low, lower high. Hold on, hold on, I'm messing up. All right. So this is a higher high, lower low, and then this is the break of structure right here. Boom, it broke structure. So that to me is indicating that, all right, price might be ready to go up, right? It's not a for sure thing, because in Forex you don't know exactly where price is going to go. We can only go ahead and plan it out, but it's breaking structure, right? So what I did is I actually got in this right here, in this zone right here. And the reason why is because the market is fractal, right? So if I love using fibs, so what I do is I marked it up like this, and then it went down to that 78 level. We saw the rejection, we saw it creating a higher high. Boom, I got into this trade. It went up like, I think like 29 pips, close to 30 pips. By what I do is I usually go in twice. So I had two entries running here, so it almost got up to like 58, 60 pips, to be exact. Let me go ahead and mark it up. So I got in here and then went up, yeah, almost close to 30 pips. So I did get my pippage. I got +1, took partials to profit, and then I got stopped out. I got +1. So I got +1, and I really didn't know if the market was gonna continue going down, since it was a very strong candle. But like I said, I have my charts marked up, I have my zones marked up. So all I'm waiting is, again, break of structure, right? So look, I mean, I could do it in the 5 minute. And what I was looking at, it was just pretty much a channel as well, a little micro structure channel. You okay, mommy? And I'm sorry guys, I'm not really that tech savvy with this crap, with this trade view. Forget that. All right, so pretty much imagine there was a trend line here. Boom, break of the trend line, and then this is the area where I got in. It was like I think a 15 to 20 pip stop loss when I entered. I entered right here. Yeah, it was a 15 pip stop loss to make, like, where we at 100 and something. So it's like 10 and 1 and 10, right? So I got in right here, and boom, the rest is history. I mean, everything went according to plan. I mean, it kept on going up, like I said, 100 and something pips. But always what I do, I always mark my charts, I always mark my zones, and wait for that break of structure. Wait for the market to go ahead and indicate them entry points. And same things, like I said, like every time frame is a fractal. So, and I love using my fibs. So check this out. Like, this is probably like a 61. Watch. Like, it gets to a point where you already, like, you could see the fibs without even marking the chart. Like 61. Now I didn't enter here, but this is also a great continuation point. Like, you look at all the confluence. There is a 61, right? There's support right here, right? There's an order block. down to the order block, boom, up, boom. This is like a 89. It's just, I mean, once you start trading, once you start doing this on a consistent basis, like you already know, like look, like I know for sure this is a 89. Like watch. And like I said, I'm sorry because I'm not really fluent with this trading view, but check this out. Watch. Create a new. Look at that. 89, baby.
I can make a popper sound.
That's right. And look. To the 61, reacted, boom, boom, boom. I mean, it was just too easy. And it's fibs on top of fibs on top of fibs on top of fibs, and it's just, I mean, that's how I get my sharp entries. So remember, have a plan, higher time frame. What I do is I go down to the lower time frame, 5, 15, 3, 1, just depending on what is it that I'm looking for. Wait for that break of structure. Wait for the market to go ahead and tell you exactly that it's indicating that it's on its way up. It's trying to go to the direction that you're planning to go. Draw a fib. Wait for that 61. Wait for that 89. Wait for that 70 level. Look at the structure. Let the market tell you what it's gonna do, you know, and then go ahead and take a educated trade. Manage that trade. Don't go balls deep in that trade. Don't over leverage. All you have to do is just go ahead and pretty much know yourself. Know your risk tolerance. Know that if you put in one lot and you're negative $270, which is 27 pips, it's getting close to those 30 pip mark, that 35 pip mark, 40 pip mark sometimes. Just know that let it run. Let it run because your plan is already executed. Don't second guess yourself just because you see that it's getting to 20, 25 pips, your stop loss is 30, you're gonna go ahead and close it. No, don't close it. Let it ride. Let it play out. That's the best thing that you could do. And the reason why I tell you that is because sometimes you don't know your risk tolerance. Sometimes you like when you go ahead and you don't let the trade run. You're good. When you don't let the trade run, crap, I lost my my thought. When you don't let your trade run, you're already pretty much lost, you know, because you're just guessing and guessing. And right now I don't even know what I'm saying. What I'm saying. But yeah, let your trade run. I mean, you have a stop loss already. You should have thought of your stop loss already. You should have had an entry point, and that's how I take my trades. So hopefully this helped you guys a little bit. I would love to go ahead and hear your feedback. This is like, I mean, my first video doing a recap like this. So yeah, go ahead, share your comments, your thoughts, your ideas. I want feedback because I just want to keep on getting better and explaining how is it that I go ahead and trade. So yeah, shoot me a DM, shoot me a comment, a message, and yeah, we'll keep working on this. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for hearing us out. Hope you guys have a great week. Stay blessed. And take care. Yeah, you have anything to say?
Yes.
What is it?
We love you guys.
That's right, we love you guys. It's all about spreading that love. All right, guys, take care.